Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to be bringing you some bedroom and bathroom cleaning motivation. Our master bedroom and bathroom needed some attention and it definitely needed to be cleaned up. So I decided to start in the bedroom by making the bed. I had washed the sheets earlier this morning and I wanted to go ahead and start by making the bed. I usually like to start in the master bedroom by making the bed. It feels like the biggest task to me, and then once that's done, everything else just kind of flows a little more smoothly and it makes the room feel like it's cleaner just by having that bed made.
Just thought I should let you know, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know.
I want to encourage you guys to clean along with me today. This video is about 16 minutes long, so grab all of your cleaning supplies and clean along with me. It doesn't have to be your bedroom or your bathroom, just somewhere in your house that you are needing some extra motivation today to clean. Let's get it cleaned together.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. We're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, we're done now. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know.
Once the bed was made, I went ahead and started cleaning off the nightstands. So I grabbed any cups or water bottles that needed to be taken to the kitchen, and then anything else that was on the nightstands, I just went ahead and put that away. Look at this dresser and all of the clothes that have been piled on it. This is what happens when I don't hang clothes as soon as I'm done folding them, or as soon as they come out of the dryer, they get thrown on the dresser and they just kind of collect there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those ready to be hung.
Press against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was the bet that you felt the same.
Before I hung up all the clothes, I just laid them out on the bed and decided to go ahead and finish cleaning off the dresser before I got them hung up, and just get the rest of this stuff where it needs to go. That way that area is done, and then I can just hang up all the clothes once I am done with the dresser.
against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. That kind of love is not easy to find, babe. I haven't felt that since you went away.
Now that the dresser is all cleaned off, I grabbed some hangers and I'm going to go ahead and get all of these clothes on hangers and hung up in the closet. There were also a few things that needed to be folded and put away as well.
You know that I miss ya. Looking back at the good times before it all went down. Climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But
Moving on into the bathroom, there were quite a few things that had collected on the countertops, so I'm just going to go ahead and get all of this put away before I move on to cleaning anything else in the bathroom.
You say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up. A broken trust got you haunted. To doubt in you was enough to leave me chasing you on and on. But I don't care, I will let you in. You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been.
but
I know you are my liability.
yeah,
I know you are my liability.
oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in.
But I'm your liability.
Now that everything is put away, I went and grabbed my bathroom e-cloth and the glass polishing cloth as well, and I'm just going to start with the mirrors.
Oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Yeah. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in.
But I'm your liability.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me.
Once I had cleaned the mirror, I went ahead and sprayed the countertop with the Mrs. Meyer's lavender scent just to freshen everything up. And then I remembered I also needed to clean the sinks, so I went and grabbed the Scrubbing Bubbles Mega Shower Foamer and sprayed that in the sinks to let that sit for just a minute.
Ever seem to be over, I saw.
Once that had had a few minutes to sit and do its job, I went ahead and just grabbed a sponge and scrubbed out the sinks.
Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I.
Once I was done with the sinks, I just went ahead and took that same e-cloth and wiped down the countertop.
And in a week or two, I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck, and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Here she goes. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week.
Before I moved on to anything else, I went ahead and lit the candle that was in the bathroom just to make it feel extra clean and fresh.
And in a week or two, I won't remember who you are.
To clean the toilet, I am using the Clorox toilet wand. I love this thing. I just feel like it makes it so convenient, and I also feel like it's a little more sanitary than the traditional brush. And then I'm also going to wipe everything down with some Clorox wipes. I prefer to use disposable wipes on the toilet. That's just my preference.
Just like the movies, I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep, in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
The last thing I wanted to do in the bedroom and bathroom was just go ahead and vacuum everything.
Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking
Here's a final look at how everything looks now. It feels so much better in here, and I'm so glad to have it done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It really means so much to me. If you enjoyed it and if it motivated you in some way today, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that little red subscribe button. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.
Dreaming of a time when I get